The Pacific F15 offers a range of lighting options to meet your needs, including the Front Plinth eLED torch. The Front Plinth torch incorporates compound path optics, which improves visibility and torch efficiency. If you already have a Front Plinth torch fitted and need to remove it, grip the front of the helmet and pull the plinth upwards. To change the batteries, apply firm pressure to the side button. The torch barrel should pop out the other side. Using the battery diagrams on the inside of the torch, replace the batteries with 3 new AAA batteries. If your front torch plinth will be sitting idle for an extended amount of time, consider removing the batteries until the next use to prevent corrosion and damage to the torch. Slide the barrel back into the housing unit until it clicks into place. There are 3 selectable beam patterns on your front plinth torch: spot, diffuse and red diffuse. Red diffuse assists with visibility in extremely low light conditions. Rotate the barrel to change between beam patterns or to adjust the angle of your light. When fitting the lighting plinth back to your F15, locate the plinth above the tab at the front of your helmet. Apply slight pressure to the badge area whilst pushing the plinth down into place. A full range of spare parts, including the front lighting plinth, is available from Pac Fire. You can shop online by going to pacfire.com.au, clicking on helmets and then spare parts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.